Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Let me get my phone hooked up. Alright, I'm back on here again today to show you the wax seal that I got from Beebeecraft. And we're going to see how it stamps out. I'm just going to do it here on my nonstick mat. I even forget what I did it on last time. Okay, so I think it needs to be something dark. Get my little something dark, because I'm gonna put some gold on it. Okay, let me see here. That's it. Won't even fight with those. I think 4 was the magic number last time when we were playing with this stuff. Okay. Yeah. Because I'm gonna get my Sharpie marker, I think, out and color it in a little bit. I can't get that close. There we go. So this is what we did last time. I'm anxious on this one to see how it turns out. I really am anxious because I really liked this one. There, I debated on. There were 2 or 3 that I really liked, so I'm really anxious to see how this one turns out. I never even checked to see if it would screw off. Yeah, it screws off. This one screws off too. Remember, I had a problem with my timing last time about the how long to leave it in the wax actually until you pull it out. This one's very intricate, so I'm really anxious to see how it releases from the wax. Like I said, this is another one of the items that I had gotten from Beebeecraft through their YouTube cooperation program. I think that's what it's called. I'll put the link down below. I'll also put the link down below to where you can find this particular wax seal stamp if you like it. Oops, a little hot. I have yet to figure out if I want to get a different. I think they call them furnace. I didn't think to look on the Beebeecraft website. When you become want to participate in their YouTube program at Beebeecraft, you do not have to give them your credit card information. They will send you your items for free the first time. Okay, let's see if that is hot enough. Okay, we're going to do this. All right, here we go. Woo. All right. That's a real hot one. That one's very hot. I'll set it over here on that. And I'm going to set the wax seal. That's actually really, really hot. I'm going to set it down in there. Like that. And this, one of these, I burned myself getting the wax out of this one time. Okay. Okay, that's probably long enough, I think. Yeah, aha, that worked. Okay, I need to let that cool a little bit, and then I'll color it in with, on the, I think I'm going to do gold. If I can find my gold one. Yeah, here's my gold one. I'm going to try the Sharpie marker. Now, I do have some other, like the Rub and Buff. I don't think that would work as well. I'm going to go ahead and get closer so you can see whenever I do this. I don't think you need a candle. Yeah. I think I'll just leave it stuck there and see what happens when I do this. And that should bring up the pattern. I think that might be going to work. Trying to do it with the edge so we don't dig too deep into that wax. This way. Get okay. Over here was the half moon, or the crescent moon that I was telling you, and that's one of the reasons I liked it. Okay. That sun didn't come out as good. I think it's that I'm using this. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if I can get it off there now. Stuck. Oh, come on, that's a non-stick mat. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. And that's what you can do and make that look like that. Just color it in like that. Or you could use rub and buff. But right there you can see the crescent moon, the sun, and the star. I don't know if you can see it. And what you can do with this then is you can just put a little bit of glue on the back. I would recommend maybe Fabri-Tac. And then while we're here, I'll show you I'm going to come back out. I'm going to show you the envelope that I made for the card. Remember, I made the card out of the star dies that I got from Beebeecraft. I didn't show you the inside. There, the inside. Some stars up here and decorated here, and here's where you write your sentiment. My stamp on the back. But then I needed an envelope for it that was big enough. I used my envelope punch board to make the envelope, and it's a little bit bigger, but I used these dies to make the sender address, the return address, and then I just cut these strips right here where they can stamp non-machinable at the post office. But I think those cut really good too. So on this particular project, I used both the stars and that I call them Baroque looking dies. And then I used this to make the wax seal. Very, very nice. I like that. Very pretty, very intricate, and you saw it did release easy. So, all right. That's 2 projects down. Actually, that one, this one, this one, I've got haven't used these yet. I'm gonna use these on project, and then the keys and the gears and everything. Got those yet to use. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.